With cutting-edge technology and a skilled, close-knit team of professionals, this family-owned metal fabricator can create just about anything out of metal, providing customers the highest quality in advanced metal fabrication, unparalleled service, and fast turnaround times. Join us in Conroe, Texas as we meet Ameritex Machine Fabrication.
Ameritex is a third-generation metal fabrication company. We specialize in anything from job shop prototyping, one-off jobs, all the way up through contract manufacturing, high volume production in pretty much every industry.
I think what allows us to stand out is we provide good quality parts fast, and we provide customer service during the process and after you received your parts. Ameritex provides a technologically advanced quoting software. We provide engineering services. We laser cut. We bend metal parts. We fabricate metal parts. We powder coat. We wet paint, and among other things.
We serve all industries, but the primary ones, at least right now, is power generation, data centers, electrical enclosures, e-houses, and generator enclosures are our primary business at the moment.
What makes it so special is not only the fact that Ameritex is a company, we're part of a family. We all work towards the product, it's about the product. We push for the product, and we offered a lot of training, including learning management system, which includes the operator gets put through orientation, online training, then gets hands-on training at the machine or whatever department they're going to work on. And all that bonding with management, supervision, leadership, the cross-training across environments. We all become a family and get a little bit of everything.
I think our customers feel like that not only are they going to get a good quality product, that they also end up having a personal relationship with us. We don't have any customers that feel like they are just customers. We build partnerships and relationships as opposed to customer-vendor relationships.
What makes Ameritex the world's greatest is the fact that we sell time and an experience and not just metal product. Anybody can make metal product. We partner with our customers to take them through their first initial concept all the way up through mass production, and we're there for them whenever they need us.